Customizing your loyalty program. Hey there, it's Molly, a marketing manager at LoyaltyLion. Configuring your loyalty program properly will help it reflect your brand identity and differentiate your program from your competitors. Our loyalty program has turnkey configurations that allow you to easily name your program, replicate your brand colour schemes, and edit the on-site text to match your brand's tone of voice. First, let's go and give your new loyalty program a name. If you're unsure of how to do this, we do also have a lot of help documentation that will assist you. So here is where you change the name. Next, just click Update Settings. And that's how easy it is to name your program however you like.